everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine Silva. If you guys don't know who I am, I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about how to clean your room like a 5-star luxury hotel. I don't know about you guys, but I miss traveling and going to vacation, and I'm just missing the hotel vibe. So for me, I wanted to bring the hotel vibe back to my room, so that's what I did today. We cleaned up my room in a hotel type of style, and I showed you guys ways on how to have that vibe to your room, just elevate it just a little bit more. But of course it's not going to be 100% like a hotel and stuff, but overall we did the best that we could. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get on with this video. Okay, so tip number 1 is going to be open up the windows. You want to do this because you want to let in the fresh new air to come in, and you want any lingering smell to just leave. So you want to open up the windows and brighten up the area. Instantly the mood changes automatically as soon as you open up the windows. Also, if you're going to be using any type of harsh chemicals, you're going to want to have the windows open and the main door open, just so all of that smell could just get out and it's not stuck in there, and you're not breathing in all those fumes. Okay, so the next tip is you're going to want to throw out all of the trash. So before you get started on anything else, take out all of the things that are just in the way, that are just not meant to be there, and put them back into their place, and take out the trash and replace it with a new trash bag if you need to. If not, you know, it is what it is. But grab all the trash that is in your room and throw it into the trash bin and take it out. Okay, I apologize in advance if the acoustics have changed. I'm currently filming now in my restroom. But tip number 3 is going to be making your bed. So there's going to be a lot of things within this section of the video. It's going to be a lot of different tips within tip number 3. So we're going to start with folding up all the blankets that you used last night and putting them away. And if you're going to be changing out your linens or washing your linens, this is the time where you're going to want to do that. So you're going to want to strip your bed. You're going to want to find the new sheets that you're going to want to use, or clean the ones that you have right now. So there's also a sequence in how you stack your sheets on top of each other. So you want to start with the bottom sheet, which is the one that goes on top of your mattress, and then your top sheet right in the middle of that, and then on top of that is going to be your duvet cover. As for me, I'm starting to take off all of the pillows off of my bed, and I'm going to be using the same sheets that I have. These are freshly washed, so they're not dirty whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend it and just take out all of the wrinkles that were made from last night. How you want to wash your bed sheets, if you are going to do it, you're going to want to set your machine for a delicate warm water wash with a cold rinse. Never wash in hot water, and don't wash your sheets on a regular cycle. A harsh cycle or hot water may cause the fibers in the sheets to break, starting the process of wear prematurely. When you are folding your top sheet, a cool little trick that you want to do to make your sheets look nicer and cleaner and crisper is to fold the sheet, the long sheet that's at the foot of the bed, underneath first, and then the extra flap that's alongside the bed to fold it right under. And this is just going to create a nice sleek look without crinkling up the sheets. So hotel rooms also do this cool little folding of the sheets. So basically what you want to do is you want to take a portion of the top part of the sheets, you want to fold it over a quarter way in, and then fold it back just one more time on top of each other, and it just creates this cute little just folding of the sheets, and it just makes it look a little bit more stylish, I would say. So I did not get footage of this, but of course you want to sweep and mop the floors. And of course, it is always important to dust off any type of just dust that you have around. 5 stars hotels makes you get there and you feel so fresh and relieved at the fact that, you know, everything is nice and cleaned and dust off. So make sure that you're getting through every single little crevice that you have in your room, and you want to just take off all of the dust and the dirt that's just hiding in those areas and just clean it up, and you'll feel 10 times better knowing that all of that is just clean, and at night you're breathing so much better and you're not breathing in all of that dust. But another little tip for you guys on how to clean like a luxury 5-star hotel is to start from the top and work your way down. Meaning you start from the top, whether it's like you spider webs in your ceiling or the top of your headboard. You want to work all of that dust off and work your way down towards the floor so that everything is landing there. So you don't want to start by cleaning the floors and then dusting, because then you're just putting more dust back onto the floor and you're just doing double work. So you want to start from the top, the highest that you that is around, and then work your way down from there. So if you want your bed to look like a 5-star hotel, you want to have a lot of pillows. I sleep with a lot of pillows. Honestly, it just makes me feel a lot more it gives me more support in my back and my neck and whatnot. So having a lot of pillows creates your bed not only to make it look bigger, but it also just makes it look a lot more nicer. So you want to have a lot of pillows. You also want to start from the biggest pillow that you have to the smallest. So just like in high school when you're taking your classroom picture, you want to start from the tallest to the smallest. So this applies here as well. And tip number 4 to make your room smell like a 5-star luxury hotel is to use a room and linen spray. So this is specifically for your sheets so that it makes the sheets a lot more crisp, and it just makes it smell 10 times better. And as soon as you walk into the room, you just get hit with this beautiful scent of just clean linen spray, and it's so beautiful. I enjoy it so much, and I got this spray from Marshalls and was actually on sale for $3.50. So run to your Marshalls if you want to grab a room spray. They are amazing. You can also choose to light up a candle. I did actually do that after this video, but I also did the double of spraying my linens and lighting a candle just to give it a beautiful scent. So you can use any scent that you want. You can use Ocean Breeze, you can use just actual linen smelling spray, so you can use any type that you want. But this is how my room ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!